Hello and welcome. This is a tutorial covering the PIxls utility provided for the LinkSwitch XT application support. We will design a flyback converter with approximately 1 watt of output power. Let's start by looking at the PIxls spreadsheet tool. Under the Files menu, you can select New to view a list of available spreadsheets, or you can open a previously saved spreadsheet design through the File Open command. Let's select New and then let's select the LinkSwitch XT option and then select OK. This opens the LinkSwitch XT flyback spreadsheet. The spreadsheet format is consistent with other Power Integration spreadsheets. The identification cell is located in the upper right corner. The input column identifies the input cell. Gray shaded cells can be modified by the user, overriding default values whenever necessary. Design calculations are provided for in the output column. Further information, including spreadsheet error messages, are provided in the right-hand column. A couple of extra tabs have been added to most PIxls spreadsheets in version 7.0, and this combines the PI Transformer Designer application into PIxls. The data provided when opening a new file reflects a 5V 240 mA power supply design. To alter this design, simply click on the input cell and key in your new design specification. First, we recommend changing the identification cell. Let's enter Link XT Design 1. OK. Starting at the top, under the Enter Applications Variables section, let's enter an output voltage specification of 5.5 volts. You can use the mouse button or select the Enter key, which directs the user to the subsequent input cell. In the I/O cell, enter 0.25 amps. As we move down the spreadsheet, in the LinkSwitch XT variables section, we see that the LinkSwitch XT device has been automatically selected by the spreadsheet. You can easily change the device by selecting from this drop-down menu located at the top of all spreadsheets. Additionally, you may also change the core size, feedback type, whether or not you want to specify a bias winding, or if you want to specify a clampless design. For this particular spreadsheet, a couple of other inputs can also be specified by the drop-down menu at the top of the spreadsheet. You can enter the core size and core parameters in the Transformer Core Construction Variables section. If it so happens that the core you want to use is not available in the spreadsheet drop-down menu, you can directly enter the parameters of the core like A sub E, LE, AL, and BW directly in these gray shaded cells shown here. This is how you can enter custom cores for the PIxls based spreadsheets. The DC input voltage parameters section calculates the minimum and maximum DC bus voltages corresponding to the AC input and the value of the input capacitor specified. The current wave shape parameters section calculates the duty cycle, the average current, peak current, and RMS and ripple currents in the primary winding. The transformer primary design parameters calculates all parameters associated with the magnetics in the design. This includes the primary inductance, number of primary turns, the gapped core effective inductance, and the flux density inside the core. The voltage stress parameters on the drain node of the PI device and also the reverse voltage across the output diode are listed in the voltage stress parameters section. The feedback components associated with the LinkSwitch XT are calculated in the feedback section. Additionally, you can add a couple of more outputs in these last two sections. The second tab in the Transformer Parameter tab includes data related to the transformer windings. This includes information regarding the start and termination of windings, the number of layers each winding requires, etc. You can change these parameters directly by entering appropriate data into the gray shaded cells. The Transformer Construction tab contains information related to prototyping the transformer. This includes the electrical schematic drawing, the mechanical build diagram, which can illustrate how the cross-section looks, and the detailed winding instructions describing how to wind the transformer. As in PI Expert, you can make changes to the transformer by accessing the relevant forms through the navigation tree on the left. All help files, including this document, can be accessed at any time by simply clicking this question mark button. Let's go ahead and save this design. This file will be saved as a .pxlxt format and can be reopened and modified using the PIxls utility. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you.